All right, friends, we are up and running. We've got the pleb source BitAxe Gamma 601. Got the Pro model, which has that upgraded heatsink. Got the Noctua fan on the front. We have added the copper heatsinks here to the voltage regulator on the front. We've also added the Noctua 60mm fan to the rear. Try to do some clean cable management. And what do we have here? Got some copper heat sinks on the rear, keep those VRs nice and cool. Clear line of path. Working good, working good. Nice and clean, all the way out the back. So I went ahead and took a look at the temperatures already. We've only been up and running for about 10 minutes, but the VR temps are at like 47 degrees Celsius. The ASIC temp is right about 59 to 60 degrees. We're running 100% on both fans. And as I was talking earlier, we're just running that Y splitter on the back. on the front, and taking that cabling to the back. So nice and clean, looking good. We're gonna see how this performs with these little upgrades. Again, that's the pleb source BitAxe Gamma 601. $170 for the Pro model. $18 fan on the rear. Couple zip ties. Some $8 heat sinks. $200 you've got fully custom BitAxe Gamma. What else more do you want? Your chance at about a $370,000 Bitcoin block if you hit the whole block. Solo mining, which is what you want with something like this. The odds are stacked highly against you, but you know what? You just never know, and you can't play the game if you don't try. So pick you up one of these BitAxe Gammas from Pleb Source. Follow the Bitcoin Nurse on X and YouTube. If you get any value out of this, like, subscribe. My lightning address is also in the comments. The Bitcoin Nurse at strike.me or the Bitcoin Nurse at getalby.com. I appreciate you guys. More videos to come. We're going to be doing some more heatsink upgrades on the NerdQX Plus and the Plus Plus, and probably on the Hydro a little bit too. So NerdQX Hydro is going to get to play in this a little bit. So more to come. Talk to you soon.